Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best and most innovative products to make your life easier and more fun. Today, we're diving into the world of slushies, and we have something truly exciting to share: the RELPOM Slushie Maker Cup. If you're looking for the best slushie mug that's electric-free and super easy to use, then this is the product you've been waiting for. This Slushie Maker Cup is a game-changer for making your favorite frozen treats right at home, without needing any fancy equipment. Gone are the days of having to wait in long lines at ice cream shops or dealing with complicated machines. The RELPOM Slushie Maker Cup uses a patented technology called Instant Freeze, which means that in just a few minutes, you can turn any beverage, from cola to juice, into a refreshing, slushy smoothie. One of the coolest features of this product is its built-in freezing liquid. You just place the slushie cup in your freezer for 4 to 5 hours, and once it's fully chilled, you can pour in your drink, squeeze it, and voila, instant slushie. This cup doesn't dilute the flavor like traditional ice or ice cubes would. Instead, it keeps the flavor fresh and intense, which is perfect for creating smoothies, shakes, or even a frosty ice cream treat. What makes this cup even more special is the materials used. It's made of food-grade silicone, EVA, and PP, which are non-toxic and completely safe for you and your family. Whether you're using it for yourself, your kids, or friends, you can rest assured that it's built with your health and safety in mind. Plus, it's reusable, so once you're done making your delicious slushie, just rinse it with water and refreeze it for your next treat. The durability and reusability make it an eco-friendly choice for anyone who loves slushies or smoothies. Another great feature is the 2-in-1 straw and spoon. This handy tool means that you can scoop your slushie with the spoon end or drink it through the straw, making it incredibly versatile. Whether you're making a milkshake, fruit smoothie, or just enjoying your favorite soda turned slushie, this cup gives you the flexibility to customize your treats exactly the way you want. The RELPOM Slushie Maker Cup is not only easy to use but also makes for a fantastic gift. It's perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just as a fun surprise for someone who loves making their own frozen drinks. It's compact, portable, and simple to store, making it ideal for any kitchen, office, or even your next summer gathering. If you're looking to add some cool fun to your day and enjoy slushies or smoothies at home, the RELPOM Slushie Maker Cup is definitely the way to go. It's fun, easy, and does exactly what it promises, making fresh, homemade slushies in minutes. So why wait? Grab yours today and start squeezing your way to a deliciously refreshing treat. Thank you for watching Product Critique. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome product reviews.